Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Notion AI detailed guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Notion website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. If you already have a Notion account, enter your login credentials and click sign in. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create a new account by providing your email address and setting a password. After creating your account or signing in, you will be taken to the Notion dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the Templates option on the left sidebar. Click on Templates and scroll down until you find the Notion AI section. Within the Notion AI section, you will see a brief description of its features. Look for the Try Notion AI button or a similar call to action. Click on this button to proceed to the subscription page for Notion AI. You will be presented with different subscription plans available for Notion AI. Review each plan carefully, paying attention to the features offered in each. Next, you will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details or choose another payment method if available. Make sure to review your purchase details one last time before confirming. Once you are satisfied, click the Confirm or Complete Purchase button. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. You may also receive an email confirming your subscription to Notion AI. Now you can start exploring the features of Notion AI to enhance your productivity. If you encounter any issues during the subscription process, look for the support section on the Notion website. There, you can find troubleshooting tips or contact customer support for assistance. Enjoy using Notion AI and optimize your workflow with its powerful tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.